Hi guys, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I am your host for today's video. Friends, we have already used many AI bots, especially Chat GPT, Gemini, Meta AI and some other AI tools for different tasks. In this video, we are going to see, is there any AI tool that can identify that the content you have written using an AI tool? Yes, we use another AI tool. We use one AI tool to detect whether the content is written by an AI tool or not. So we will generate an article. We will give the same prompt to ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot also, as well as Meta AI. So these 4 AI tools we will use to generate the content, and we will use a popular AI detector to detect whether the content is written by AI tool. So I hope this is gonna very interesting for you. So please watch this video till the end. I hope you will enjoy the video. To receive more tutorials with screen readers, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy. After subscribing, press the bell icon and choose all notifications so you will never miss any upload. If you want to support us, you can join our channel and enjoy exclusive benefits. Our membership starts at 29 rupees only. Your support will help us to turn the light on of V.I Tech Academy. You can also support us by giving thanks. The thanks button is showing below the video. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Let me open the notepad where I have already written a prompt.
Write an article on what changes why. Notepad. Text edit.
So this is my article. See, this is my prompt, not article.
Write an article on what changes will come in humans' life if one avoid eating sugar. I need this article based on changes after 1 month, 3 months and 6 months and 1 year. This article should include whose recommendation or any information related to this. It is for my blog helpful. Write this article in 1000 words. You should use human understandable phrases and the article should look like a human written.
Okay, so 1000 word, I just cut it down to 500 words.
Like, look, sure the you show you dot word 1000 0 space 0001 space word num lock on span space w 500.
Okay, 500 words. So let me copy it and then I'll try to use all the AI tools which I already told you. So let me open my browser.
Taskbar, new tab, Google Chrome.
Here first I will open Chat GPT.
Chat GPT, chat.openai.com, location from history. Press tab then and main lab.
Now let me send the command. Okay, I'll take a new tab and open Gemini.
New tab, Google i.com selected, main landmark, message.
Send the same command. Prompt.
Message chat, clickable button. Message Chat GPT, edit multi. Chat GPT. New tab, Google Chrome, toolbar, OpenAI unselected. Gemini,
Yeah, Gemini is open.
Enter a prompt here, edit multi-line like a human written. Enter a prompt here, Gemini is typing.
So now next I'll just open my Copilot. Give me a few minutes because Copilot sometimes takes time.
Gemini, Google write an article, ops 30 Copilot, document, resizer Copilot, open and refresh button. Frame list with 1 item, just a moment, application, ask me anything, edit as auto, add an ask me any. So
now I'm pasting the prompt here.
Ask me anything, edit focused as auto-complete, multi-line article should look like a human written.
Now it's already sent. Next I'm going back to the browser again.
Gemini.
And open Meta AI. So here I am using the website of Meta AI due to privacy.
New tab, Google
so I'm just
Chrome.
typing meta.ai.
Selection
We have already made a full video on Meta AI. So you can check out if you don't know about this Meta AI.
Meta AI document. Edit multi-line. Ask Meta AI toolbar. Meta AI.
Okay, so I'm giving the same task to Meta AI.
Edit multi-line. Ask Meta AI anything. Blank.
So Meta AI also doing the same task. Now every AI tools, these 4 AI tools is writing the article. Next we will take a new tab and open the tool by which we can check whether the article is written by human or not, or AI. Okay, so there are many tools available in the market, in the internet you can say, but we will use one popular tool which is GPT-0. This is not a free tool. If you in free version you can use it up to like 500 words or something like this, I forget actually, but in the paid version you can use for big responses. It is only available for text content right now as per my knowledge. So let me search Zero GPT.
Zero selection removed. GPT.
There are many AI detector tools, so if you want more videos about that, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll upload that. I'll try to make more videos about this AI detector.
Clickable main landmark, clickable search results, clickable web result with site links, heading, clickable link heading level 3 Zero GPT.
Zero GPT. So I'm just pressing enter here.
Unknown.
I'll provide the site link to our official WhatsApp channel.
Link experience, clickable times.
So here I'm just going to edit box.
Enter text to check for AI and Chat GPT.
Okay, now I'm just pressing download up and check whether how many characters or how many words I can give.
Out of edit button, enter text to check for AI and Chat GPT. Plagiarism, edit multi-line space.
Okay, so this is called AI plagiarism. Okay.
Out of edit button, no indent, detect text upload file.
Okay, so you can upload the file also.
0/15,000 characters.
Okay, 15,000 characters. You can upload up to 15,000 characters for free. So I hope 500 words means it comes. I don't know. Okay, let's go back to the Chat GPT.
Meta AI, Gemini, Chat GPT, Chat.
Let's copy the last response.
Alert last response copied to clipboard.
Okay, and now I'm just opening the notepad and taking a new notepad and check whether there's any other mistakes or anything.
Number the sweet truth. Life without sugar.
Okay.
Blank. In our modern diet, sugar is a ubiquitous presence, often hidden in foods we wouldn't expect, from processed snacks. For more blank. For more health tips and personalized advice, visit Help Health and embark on your journey to better health. Okay,
so this is the blog written by Chat GPT. Okay, now let me copy the text again, or it is already copied. Let's go back to the Zero GPT.
AI Detector. Trust close ad button focused.
Just closing the ad.
Out of enter text to check for AI.
So now I'm just pasting the text here.
Blank. In our modern trust is sugar for detect text but enter text out of edit button detect text upload file. 4,270
4,270 okay.
Get up to 100,000 link here. Heading level 2 simple and credible open AI and Gemini detector tool for free.
Okay.
Millions of users graphic highlights heading level 3 highlighted set get premium feature get your max subscription button advertisement get the get premium feature detect text button.
Okay, just click on detect text. So just press B or shift D, you'll get detect text. So let me press enter here.
Unavailable.
And let's check.
4,000 to get up your text is AI/GPT generated.
Yes, your
text is
AI/GPT generated. Very good.
Your text is AI/GPT generated. 68.12%.
68.12%.
AI GPT. Number the sweet truth. Blank. Highlighted in our modern diet. Sugar is a new processed sugar for 1 month.
So you can get the more details here. Pressing download.
Skin is out of skin get premium and heading graphic top-notch AI tools. Support all the languages with the.
Okay, now next I just delete this and next I go back to the Gemini.
Gemini, Google.
And copy the last response. Let me try to copy.
Write helpful. Enter a prompt here. Like a human, write help. This article should include whose recommendation or any information. Enter clickable open. Enter a prompt here. Edit multi-line. Enter a prompt here. Enter out of edit these conditions and eliminating its significant.
Okay, let me just try to copy.
Unsweet success. Sugar from can. Good response. Bad modifier. Share and export. Double check response. Show more options. Clickable open. Show more options. Copy report. Copy 1 of 2.
So I've just copied. And let's again check whether this sure I can provide these things, because these things we need to remove.
Number unsweet success. Blank. Sugar is everywhere these days. Blank.
Okay, now I'll just remove this number signs and
blank. Replace edit blank.
If there's any star, let
Press
me remove.
F6 to go to new node. Blank. Num lock on. Text.
Okay, see.
On suite 6 blank. Third.
Now I just copied it and
on suite 3260 character. Gemini.
Let me go back to the GPT-0.
Chat GPT. AI detector. Trusted. E.
Paste it here and click on
Detect text button.
Detect text.
Unavailable.
Now let's see. I'm just going down.
3200. Get up to 100. Your text is AI/GPT generated.
Again, your text is AI/GPT generated.
Blank.
That's good.
Sugar is everywhere these days, hiding in seemingly healthy options and with.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let me go back to the Copilot. So now let me try to copy the last response.
New topic but list with 3 clickable. I love this. Clickable. Share button. Copy button. Copy.
And let's do the same.
Star on suite. Blank. Certainly I'd be happy. Blank.
Yes,
certainly
see, this thing we need to remove.
Blank. Blank. Certainly care blank. Numbers blank.
Again
Press
I remove
F6
this
to go
numbers
to
and
blank.
star.
Text editor. Press F6. Blank. Blank.
See.
Space the blank. The sweet space. T space blank. T no and blank. The sweet journey. What's happened?
So now my article is ready. Okay, now let me copy it. And then go back to the chat GPT-0, not chat GPT. And let's paste here and click on
Detect text button.
Detect text.
Unavailable. 5001 button. Get up to 100. Advertisement frame clickable button. And out of frame heading level 2 simple and credible. Million heading out of frame clickable no indent export to PDF. Clickable space. No indent 687 words.
Okay,
Clickable space. No 52
words.
space highlighted text is suspected to be most likely generated by AI star. Highlighted no indent HT out of highlighted https://www.unlimitedhealth.com/
Some
advertisement out of frame
there,
clickable
so
space text no indent 5001 get up to 100 your text to 51 your text is most likely AI/GPT generated.
Your text is most likely. Okay, before ChatGPT and Gemini it tells that 100% sure, but for Copilot it is not sure.
Your text is most likely AI/51.8%.
51.8%.
AI GPT star.
AI GPT. Okay, 51.8%. So before ChatGPT and Gemini it's all about 60, 65, 70.
Highlighted the sweet journey. What happens when
so here you can get the detailed report also.
Enter text.
I just delete this
blank.
and go back to the Meta AI.
Meta AI.
And copy the response.
Copy content to clipboard to alert.
And let me do the same again blank. For here also.
The sweet escape are your intake with have on your 1 month weight loss improve better than 3 glowing skin and produce 6 months. 20.
Okay, just I am copying it.
Meta AI copy.
And let me paste
AI
here.
Detect.
Click on
Detect text button.
Detect text.
Unavailable.
And let's wait for few seconds.
Enter text to check out of edit button. Detect text 2760. Get up to 100. Your text is AI/GPT generated.
Yes, see again.
Your text is AI/GPT generated. 97.86%.
97.86%. So you can understand 96.97 or 97.99, 98% almost. So 98% AI generated these text. So now you can easily quote whether the text or content you receive is written by any AI tool or not using this Zero GPT. So use this tool now and leave the feedback into the comment section also. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, share the video with your loved ones, and see you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye bye.